Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today we're making pancakes. So first we added 2 smashed bananas and 2 eggs, as you can see here. And all these ingredients are organic, guys, so yeah. Okay, mix it.
In the mixer.
And while she's gonna mix, we're gonna open this cinnamon. We're gonna open this organic cinnamon. Okay, mix. Okay.
What are you mixing?
Bananas and eggs. Okay, put the cinnamon in. I'll tell you when to stop, okay?
Okay.
Do it against this. Against
this one?
Do the big one. Big one.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
That's a lot.
Well, there's smoke everywhere. Okay, mix it. Mix the cinnamon. And now we have some plain 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. While she's gonna mix, just wait. Mix it well. Okay, now wait. You wanna put the yogurt? Oh.
No.
Okay. That's a lot of yogurt. Okay, now mix it. And now we have some maple syrup here. As you can see, we're gonna get a tablespoon, spoon, and then mix it. Just mix it.
And you have to give it to me.
Yeah, I'll give it to you. Just wait, mix. I'll pour it and I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Not enough. Oh, that's wiggly. Okay. Nice job. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna put this aside right here. Okay, now mix it. Mix it really good. Mix it, yeah. And then let it come. And here we have some pink Himalayan salt. And we have half of this. Here, put it in. Good job. Now put this aside too. Mix it. Mix it like that.
Not fast.
Okay, put a little bit. Wait, mix first a little bit. Okay, let's put it together.
No. Okay. Now mix it.
And here's the organic oat flour. Yes, so there's organic oat flour. Okay. So we're adding it piece by piece so we can see how the texture is. Right now, I'd say the texture is pretty well. Yeah, just put it in. Put it in. Slippery. Okay, mix it. Mix it now. And then while she mixes, we have some organic oil that we put in so we put it in the pancakes so the pancakes could be moist. Get the edges around. Should I show you?
I need the washka.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let me put the oil in.
No, I have to do it.
Here, put the oil in.
No, you can do it. It's so slippery and sticky.
So we just put, a lot of oil so it can be moist. I say that's enough oil.
Mama, you put oil on my face.
Mix it.
It's doing slow for me.
Mix it
This
faster.
pancake is making slow for me.
Slow?
Yeah.
I thought you were fast. Okay. We're done?
Nope. I need a little bit oil, please.
Just put a little bit.
Wait.
That's it. Okay, just mix it and then give it
One
to
more
me so we
time.
can. That's okay. That's it. It's good.
Oh, man, I don't want to give the. Okay,
That's it.
that's it. But never mind.
Okay, come on. We're done. We're
Not
done.
yet. I need to put a little bit of cinnamon.
That's enough cinnamon. Look.
I mean, just a, I know, but I need a little bit.
Okay. Now we're.
Okay, I have to mix it still.
Okay, we're done. The pan is waiting. Come on. Okay,
There's
we're
no
done.
pan.
Frying pan.
Okay. Get off your hand, please.
Hey.